Hi, my name's Jason Hogan. I work for the Saskatchewan Prevention Institute. My title here is Child Traffic Safety Program Coordinator. My program is funded by Saskatchewan Government Insurance. This convertible seat here is a 4-in-1 seat. It can be rear-facing, forward-facing, and go to booster seat. This seat, much like the other seat, has a forward-facing belt path here, also has a rear-facing belt path here. This UAS connector is a little bit different than the other ones I've shown, but you want to make sure that this clip is always pointed down. And this part here, this is the release. This seat can be installed forward facing. It can be installed rear facing. And because of the seatbelt routing guides here on this headrest, can also be used as a booster seat. This convertible seat has 6 recline positions. 4 are in the rear facing position and 2 are in the forward facing position. This little knob right here tells me that it's forward facing in this position here. But on the little release handle here, I can pull it and it indicates here that I'm at level 4 on the rear recline, and it can go all the way down to level 1 for rear facing for an infant. If you have issues trying to install this seat, always reference your user manual and make sure that you send in that registration card as well. It's really important to know what changes or updates are involved with your seat.